Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
On December 7, 2017, J.K. Rowling posted a lengthy statement to her website in defense of Johnny Depp, the actor cast to play the infamous dark wizard Gellert Grindelwald in the Fantastic Beasts movie franchise, part of Rowling's Wizarding World of Harry Potter media fiefdom.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Mads Mikkelsen. Mads Mikkelsen discusses replacing Johnny Depp in Fantastic Beasts 3. These are sad circumstances. Mads Mikkelsen will take over the role of Dark Wizard Gellert Grindelwald in the Fantastic Beasts movies.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The Which One? The catalyst for the decision was Depp losing a libel lawsuit against British tabloid The Sun, regarding the newspaper's description of Depp as a wife-beater, following allegations of domestic violence against him by his now ex-wife Amber Heard.
Take our lead.
Mads Mikkelsen. Mikkelsen says Johnny Depp masterfully achieved the character of Grindelwald. Everett Collection, Warner Brothers. Mads Mikkelsen has broken his silence on replacing Johnny Depp as Grindelwald in the third Fantastic Beasts movie, which is now back in production in the United Kingdom.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.